Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the brick bowl grape shaped ice and Heartopia during the modular street festival event update. Okay, this is one of the festival foods in this update guys, and if you want to make it, you need to have this brick surfing cart. If you don't know how to make it or how to craft it, you can watch my previous video. And then you need to have this recipe, the recipe for the brick bowl fruit shaved ice. Okay, and if you want to make the grape shaved ice, we need to replace the fruit with grape. This is another ingredients that you need. You will need the condensed milk and brick ice and also fruit. And to get the recipe, you need to go to the Massimo's cooking store and also to get the ingredients. Okay, and we're going to replace it with grape. And for the grape, you can purchase the seed from Belang's gardening store, but you need to have level 7 in your gardening hobby. Okay, now let's start to make the brick bowl grape shaped ice. Alright, done for the cooking process, and I've just unlocked the brick bowl grape shaped ice. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the brick bowl grape shaped ice in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.